Good afternoon, class 6 students. Today we will start chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is Brother Krishna. Let's talk about number 1. Do you believe in God? So students, the answer of this question may differ from person to person. As if I ask you, some of you will say yes, you believe in God, and some of you will say that I don't believe in God. So the answer is depend on the one's belief and faith. Some have faith in God and some have not. Number 2. Is purity of heart a cherished quality in human beings? Cherished, it means protect and care for someone. So this quality depends on purity of heart. It depends on the purity of heart which is in human beings. Yes. Purity of a heart, a cherished quality. It is a cherished quality which is in human beings. Because the pure heart understands the feelings of others and looks after others. And sometimes it neither think bad of anyone nor harm anyone. So it's a cherished quality of human beings. Once there was a little boy named Bishu. His father was not alive. He lived in a small hut with his mother. Every day he would go to school at the next village and worked hard at his lessons. On his way to school, he had to pass a huge forest. He used to feel scared, so his mother told him to call Brother Krishna to help him while he passed through the jungle. Bishu was a simple boy. He never told lies. He always helped his mother in her work. He was always respectful and helpful to others. This story is of a little boy whose name was Bishu. His father was dead. He was very poor and he had a small hut in which he lived with his mother. He used to go to school every day. His school was in another village, so he had to work very hard to go there. On the way, he had to cross a big forest. He was very scared. So his mother said that when he got scared, he would call his brother Krishna for help while crossing the jungle or crossing the forest. Bishu was a very simple boy. He was very simple and easygoing boy. He would never lie. He always helped his mother in doing work. He was respected. He always respected others and also helped others. He was very respectful and helpful to others. As his mother told him, he called Brother Krishna. He was very happy when Brother Krishna answered his call. Now every day he would talk to Brother Krishna and cross the jungle easily without any fear. As his mother said, whenever he is afraid, he should call Brother Krishna. One day he did the same and he was very happy when he got the answer of Brother Krishna. Now he used to talk to Brother Krishna daily basis. On daily basis he talked with his Brother Krishna and crossed the forest without any fear. One day it was his teacher's birthday. All the boys decided to bring gifts for their teacher. He asked his mother for a gift. She said, "Son, we are very poor. We have no money to give gift. Ask Brother Krishna. He is the Lord of this universe. He will surely give you a gift for your Guruji." One day, it was his teacher's birthday. and all the children of his class decided to bring gifts for their teacher. Bishu also wanted to give a gift. He went and asked his mother for a gift. His mother explained to him that we are very poor. We do not have enough money to purchase a gift. You go and ask your brother Krishna. He is the God of the whole universe. He will definitely help you and give you a gift for your teacher or Guruji.